how to add custom GIFs or GIFs to Instagram comments. Now, if you open up Instagram and maybe you go to certain comments on Instagram and you go to comment section, you want to comment something, to add a GIF or GIFs, you can just tap on this GIFs icon over here and you can simply search for GIFs over here, right? But this is only searching for the ones that Instagram has by default, but maybe you want to create your own GIFs or anything like that. How do you do that? Let us explore the other options. When we tap the comment bar, we will also have our keyboard load up over here, but you can see the app does not support images here. So from our keyboard also we can add GIFs. The only way we can add GIFs on our Instagram, which is a custom GIFs by the way, and not the one that only Instagram is providing, you have to apply on Giphy.com as a brand. So you must be a renowned brand, and as long as you are a public figure or brand, or once you verify your identity and so on, you'll most likely get approved on Giphy. So to apply it, you just have to go to Giphy.com/apply. So go to Giphy.com/apply, and here you can sign up or log in using your account. And once you get approved, you can create your custom GIFs from there and you can add it to your Instagram comments. Otherwise, you just have to make do with the default GIFs that they provide on Instagram. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.